Guys, this is what it's like when you have a cat and you're trying to get work done. It's worse sometimes. Pia, can you leave me alone? Hello? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me wipe the place. Guys, this is what it's like when you have a cat and you're trying to get work done. This is what they do. Trouble. 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 Guys, sometimes I'll be sleeping, you know, and Pia just come and just lay down right in the dirt. I'm like, really? This cat? I'm gonna tell you. Let's see if anyone is scared of a mom.
Wait for it.
Anyone is scared of a mom. It's only a mop, sir. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you all next time. Guys, quality is poor because in here dark. It's the best we can do, guys. May try keep up in doing videos still, because as you can see, it's just extensions giving me light. So bear with me, please. Come on, guys, bear with me, please. See you next time. We out. Peace.